Hello everyone. Friends, this is Velo channel. Today I'll show how to transfer Robux from one account to another. First, go to the Roblox website. Go to Create. Click Create Game Experience here. I'll have a tab here now. It's loading now. There. Create a game experience. Publish it by clicking the three dots, and where mine says private, yours will say publish. There. After that, open it in a new window. Next, go here. You'll be interested in the developer items. Click Create Developer Item, name it, add a description, enter the price, and click Save Changes. Let's accept this, that. Next, we enable this. There. Now, to transfer from another account, log in. On this account, we need to go here and look in Roblox. There, in the store from the other account, you buy the item if it's not there, right? From the base, click Add Pass. Sometimes you can only do it through a pass. Click Create Pass, name it. Enter a description. Click the three dots. Click Open in New Window. Sales. Enter the price here and click Save Changes. There, and now a pass will appear in the store. Purchase it from the other account. This was Velo. Goodbye everyone.